What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It is Ashley and Grayson with our full-time adventure. Today we're doing two things we haven't done in over 6 weeks. First of all, we are in Walmart. Second of all, Second of all, we are sleeping in our camper for the first time. So we needed a few things because it has been such a long time since we have slept in the camper. So we're here to get some sheets. We were gonna get sheets and a comforter, but we didn't really want to get sheets and a comforter from Walmart. We really want to get that Betty bed set, like the one that zips on. It's really cool. I'll put a picture of it right here. But that's what we want to get, but since we don't have it yet and we want to sleep in the camper tonight for the first time, we have to just get something for now. So we're just gonna get some sheets. By the way, do any of you guys like these? These are like literally our favorite. So good.
Alright guys, so we are filling our tank right now. We're gonna do about halfway as the campground recommends because it is getting below freezing here tonight. It's getting like 30. We're actually in here earlier. It was what degrees outside? Like 40 or 39?
Yeah.
And it was, how was the temperature inside for just electric?
Oh, we got it really warm in there. I think we got it up to 6.
I know it was hot. I was sweating.
It was nice, yeah. So now we just turned it back on because I just looked and it's 46 in there right now, so that's cold. So we're filling this up so we can shower. First time showering, first time sleeping in here. I'm really excited. You have no idea. After, you know, living in hotels and Airbnbs and hospitals for the last 6 weeks, I just can't wait to have a house of our own. Alright, so let's explain first why we're in an RV park.
Because we can only run this new heater not new heater, but the heater we have currently in here off of electric. We also wanted to have our trailer and be able to unhook and get our tools and so on and so forth because we're doing other stuff to the RV. So that's why we're in an RV park. And we want the water and so on and so forth for now because Ashley needs it. When she showers, she needs to be able to shower. Don't have to worry about it. And we also know that it's literally a quarter of the cost for an RV park spot than it is for a hotel room.
Yes.
So that's why we're here. And we pick up Brayden tomorrow. So that's exciting. So we want to
Kitty.
And Kitty. Well, I'm only saying it because most people know Brayden just from the post. And Kitty obviously is excited to have as well. Oreo's going nuts in the back.
He's exploring the new bed.
But we wanted to leave our trailer here while we drive to go pick him up 3 hours away. So shout out to my parents for driving him. And shout out to Ashley's aunt, uncle, and cousins for watching Oreo. And shout out to my aunt for picking them all up in the first place. But now we're being reunited. So
thank the Lord.
It's exciting. We just wanted the spot to come back to. We have a lot we're doing to the rig. And also our friends are staying right next to us. You, me, and Moosey on Instagram. Friends I've known for 5-6 years. So that's why we're in an RV park. We're going to make the bed. I already put the things on the... We literally got the cheapest sheets.
How much was this?
$18 at Walmart.
Yep.
That's because we have plans, like Ashley said, to either get Betty's or get, you know, something else. Whether that be Betty's, which is a 3-in-1 type of thing that she showed before in the video. Or whether that's, you know... what are they called?
So we were staying at family's house and she has these bamboo sheets and was like, you're gonna love these. As soon as you leave here, you're gonna order them for your own house. And we were like, yeah, okay, whatever. They were actually so comfortable, so soft, so maybe we'll go with that option. We don't know yet, but just for tonight we needed something to cover the mattress with, especially since the person who had it before us slept in it. It's all fine though because we're putting the cover on it. So yeah.
You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
We already showered and I'm about to shower, but the thing is, I think that the heater that's in here is good, but it just takes a long time to like get hot, like 30 to 45 minutes.
It's a lot different than the forced air heaters. It's hydronic, so it takes about 30 minutes for it to actually get hot. And it's obviously a lot more efficient when it has propane. Yeah. But we're using it with just electric, so it's actually...
It's 49
inside. If it's not focusing. There we go. It's 49 inside. But My hair's a little curly. Sorry, it's a little bit of a mess. But I took a shower already. And you get warm bursts of water while you're showering. And it's kind of like 65-degree water. I've been prepping for this. I've been taking cold showers.
But you said the rest was cold.
Yeah, it was like 65, but I was taking ice cold showers for a while because #health. So I've been prepared for this. And it was kind of for this reason. I was just like, oh, you know, it's good for you. But like also we're going to be camping out in the winter. And like, let's say something does happen. So yeah, I prepared for it.
So basically, pray for me because I do not like cold showers. But I'm just going to take a quick shower. I'm sure it'll be fine.
It's late, so we want to go to sleep.
I'm so tired.
But we have a heated blanket back there. It's only big enough for Oreo, basically. But
No, it's not.
once it gets hot enough in here, it makes you freaking sweat. It was literally like 16 here earlier, and I was like,
for him,
it's hot.
Not hot.
Well, compared to outside, it's hot. So, yeah, she's gonna go shower now.
Not that bad, actually. It's getting like hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. Grayson's basically my doctor. Pick up that scarred tissue. Good night. Good morning. How'd you sleep?
Good. How'd you sleep?
Good. It ended up getting
Got
like
so hot
really
in here.
hot in here, but it took so long. I don't know.
So hot.
I don't know what was up with that.
But it takes a little while. So once it gets hot, it gets hot. It's 34 outside. It's definitely double that in here.
We're gonna make some breakfast and then get on with our day. So all of our forks, plates, knives, like all that kind of stuff, I don't know where it is. So we're just gonna use some paper plates and bowls. But I'm making these pancakes and these bowls are so small that I'll probably have to use two. But it's fine, it'll work. First breakfast eating in here. Eggs, protein pancakes. It's such a mess in here. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you liked watching us for the first night in our camper. What were your overall thoughts? You feel so good about being back like in our own house.
Can't wait for our second night.
Can't wait for our second night. Yeah.
And our third and our fourth and our fifth. It's so nice to be back in your own spot. You don't have to, rely on the cleanliness of hotels. Airbnbs are amazing. We love Airbnbs.
Yes.
But we found ourselves staying one night here, one night there, 2 nights here, 2 nights there. And I personally think unless you're staying 3 or more nights, Airbnbs don't make sense because of the fees. But we do like supporting people with Airbnbs. So sometimes the fees aren't too bad. But especially like if we rented like a 2 or 3 bedroom place, like we're going to use 1 bedroom. So getting a $200 cleaning fee for a 1 bedroom makes no sense.
Yeah.
But we do love them.
We do love them, but it feels nice to like live tiny again, I guess. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's more cozy, more comfortable. It's like what we're used to now at this point.
So, thumbs up and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Like a light, lighting